Christmas is time for family, gifts, and eating a lot. It's also a great time to reflect on your financial situation. What's gone well this year, what could be improved, and what can you do to put yourself in a better financial situation going into next year. Look, I know you don't want to spend your entire holidays handling your finances. That's why we put together a list of simple moves that you can do right now to improve your financial situation before the end of the year. Here are 10 easy tips for tax benefits, state bonuses, and opportunities to boost your savings for a financially successful start in 2021.
Perfinex. Personal Finance for Expats.
What's up everyone? Welcome to a new video from Perfinex, the #1 English-speaking and independent financial planner in Germany. Today, with another video to help you save time, money, and effort in the German financial jungle. After all, you don't want to lose money, waste bonuses, or pay additional taxes unless you absolutely have to, right? So let's go with tip 1 from Santa Axel. I'm sure you were a good child and deserve some presents.
Evaluate your financial life.
Whoa, this just got real deep, right? Honestly though, review your past year and ask yourself, what has gone well? What hasn't gone well? And why is that? Did you pay off your debt? Did you stay within your budget? Did you save as much as you wanted? Did you get closer to your financial goals? Are you still saving for the right goals, or do you need to adjust? Are there any new goals in your life? Pretty sure your life changed over the last 12 months, and your goals should reflect these changes. Take some time and set yourself up for financial success in the coming year. If you don't want to go through this process alone, consider talking to a financial advisor that you can trust. You can talk to us, for example. We're here to help. Now let's continue with 4 tips how to reduce your tax bill, 4 tips how to secure free money, and 1 last insurance tip.
Check tax-related information on your payslip.
Even if your income stays the same in 2021, I highly recommend you grab your payslip now and check your income tax class. You're not sure how to read your payslip and what an income tax class is? We got you covered. You can find videos explaining both in detail in the description right here. Your income tax class won't change the amount of income tax you have to pay at the end of the year, but it will change how much income tax you have to pay each month. So a more beneficial income tax class will result easily in a couple of €100 more net income each month, like the tax allowance and the child allowance. Instead of having to wait for Finanzamt to approve your tax declaration and give you a tax refund, this tip will help you pay less taxes upfront and have more net income.
Be smart with your expenses and payment date.
Some financial moves can wait, but when it comes to tax-related moves, one day can make a huge difference. I'm talking about the difference if you pay something on December 31st or January 1st. What kind of expenses are relevant? Laptops, books, educational services, workroom, workwear, and many more. As every employee can deduct €1,000 of professional expenses without any receipt or proof, you should bundle all expenses in 2021 if you don't reach your €1,000 this year. Because next year, these expenses will help you go over the €1,000 and therefore lower your taxable income. Each euro counts here. A little tactical payment can go a long way. Purchase whatever you want, whenever you want. But be smart about the day you make the payment. Might save you a lot of money.
Harvest tax losses.
Are you investing in Germany already? No? Then check out our free Investing in Germany master course, right here on YouTube. If you do invest already, you hopefully know that everyone can get €801 of capital gains per year completely tax-free. Check out this video for details. Also, check if you exceed your €801 or €1,602 for married couples this year. If so, you have to pay 25% capital gains tax. Good news is, you will get your capital gains tax back when you sell positions with a loss. You should rebalance your asset allocation and portfolio every once in a while anyway. And this time of the year is the perfect time to do this. You can even buy the same investment again right after you sold it with a loss. Just make sure that your tax savings exceed your transaction costs. You don't need to do this trick with pensions, by the way, because money inside all pensions grows tax-free anyway. Speaking about pensions, the last tax saving tip is:
increase your tax-deductible retirement contributions.
The two biggest factors for financial success are the amount you save and your rate of return. Nothing else will have as big an impact. And tax-deductible savings will lower your taxable income, which lowers your tax bill, so the government will give you the taxes back you paid too much. So you have even more money to invest. Isn't that awesome? In Pensions Level 1, the maximum tax-deductible contribution is €25,046. You can give this the public pension, which is a horrible idea. You can also burn it, or invest it in your base pension. In Pensions Level 2, you can invest up to €3,312 free of Social Security, and twice that much, €6,624 tax-free in your company pension. Or €2,100 in Riester Pension Level 2, which also gives you state bonuses. And this leads us to the next 4 tips that will secure you free money.
Riester bonuses.
Every Riester pension is tax deductible in contribution phase, up to €2,100 per year. Every adult who has a Riester gets €175 per year from the state as a bonus, as well as €300 per year for every child. That's a lot of benefits. The most profitable Riester in our client base is a housewife with 3 kids. She contributes €5 per month, gets €175 for herself, and 3 times €300, so €900 for her 3 kids. Yes, she invests €60 per year and gets €1,075 from the government. And no, that's not a joke. You have to contribute 4% of your income into Riester, with a maximum of €2,100 per year if you want the full bonus. Because she's a housewife, she has no income. So she just contributes the legal minimum of €5 per month and enjoys the full state bonuses.
Arbeitnehmer-Sparzulage.
This tip is for employees with a taxable income lower than 20k for singles or 40k for married couples. Not a salary of 20k or 40k, taxable income. You can have a really high salary but a low taxable income. If you follow tip 5, for example, and lower your tax bill. If you get your €40 per month in capital forming benefits from your employer and invest this money into mutual funds and ETFs, you can get 20% extra from the government. That's €80 for singles and €160 for married couples. Alternatively, if you get €40 from your employer for your Bausparvertrag, you can get a 9% government bonus. That's €43 for singles and €86 for married couples. If you have a Bausparvertrag already, or plan to build, buy or renovate a home, you want to secure free money with
Housing bonus.
This is a subsidy from the government for everyone at least 16 years old that is taxed in Germany. If you save at least €50 per year into your Bausparvertrag, either with your own money or through capital forming benefits from your employer, and have a taxable income of less than 35k for singles or 70k for married couples, remember, taxable income, not gross salary. You can get a 10% bonus from the government, up to €70 for singles or €140 for married couples. The last two tips show you that it's not about having a high salary, it's about having a high net income. So talk to your employer about
non-cash benefits instead of salary increase.
Non-cash benefits are basically gifts from your employer that are tax-free and free of Social Security. Woo! You can get up to 44 euros per month in vouchers for public transport, petrol, books, food, the gym, yoga courses, back trainings, massages, kindergarten, daycare, and so much more. As long as you can't exchange these vouchers for money, it's fine. They're called non-cash benefits for a reason. Watch out! Stay within these 44 euros per month. If you get just 1 cent more, the whole amount is subject to tax and Social Security. Last but not least,
review your insurances.
I know insurance is an annoying topic for most of you and not the most exciting to do. I get it. But a tiny little bit of work can save you a lot of money. Because some insurances get cheaper over the years and some insurances get more expensive over the years. Life insurance, for example, is getting more and more expensive every year. So if you need one, get it before December 31st. If you're not sure if you need life insurance, this video will help you. Other than that, check your 3 must-have insurances. Health insurance. Members of the public health insurance should have their bonus booklet filled. Will save you a lot of money, especially at the dentist. Members of the private health insurance might have gotten a letter about increasing premiums. If so, you have a special termination right and can switch to a different private health insurance. By the way, public premium increases too. Just check your December 2020 payslip and your January 2021 payslip. If you want to know more about German health insurance, public, private, what's better for you, check out this video. Links in the description. Must-have insurance 2 is the disability income insurance that will provide your income in case you are sick or disabled. And must-have insurance 3 is the private liability insurance that will pay for damages that you do to third parties. As these 2 insurances are relatively unknown among the expat community, we will release videos about them within the next few days, so you can decide for yourself if you want to get them or not. Just to give you a hint, we call them must-have insurances for a reason. Money can be stressful, especially at the year end. I understand. So it's fine if you don't act on these 10 tips, though it would be great for yourself if you did. Try to do at least 2 to 3 before December 31 and maybe 2 to 3 at the start of the next year. What will you do to improve your financial situation? Or do you have additional tips? Let us know in the comments. And when you're overwhelmed with your personal finances, reach out on WhatsApp or secure a free meeting. And Santa Axel will help you out. Merry Christmas, everyone.